the Everbloom Elevated Trough Planter. Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are going to unbox and assemble the Everbloom 36x12x28 Elevated Trough Planter. Let's get the planter out of the box. Never mind those brown boards, this is a gray planter. The legs come in pairs for each end. There are plastic caps and a pack of self-tapping screws. A pair of legs has extensions that point toward one another. There are slots in the boards that are a push fit into the C-channel legs. The narrow boards go in the bottom and are inserted with the thin section toward the top. Position the legs as parallel as possible. With the short end boards assembled, you now put in the first narrow board for the side. Make sure you put them in with the thin section toward the top. Adjust the leg positions to get them all parallel. For the second narrow side board, do not insert it all the way down if you are assembling for the 10-inch dirt depth. If you want 7.5-inch depth, then push the second narrow board all the way down. With the side board partially inserted, place one bottom board in the first board's lower slot and adjust the second side to just hold the bottom board in place. Then position the second bottom board in the first board lower slot and the partially inserted board lower slot. When the bottom boards are just holding position, push the partially inserted sideboard all the way down to lock the bottom board in place. If you are doing 7.5-inch depth and both sideboards are already inserted all the way, then just place both bottom boards in the top slot. Now insert the top end boards. Adjust the legs if needed to make them parallel. The top sideboards go in the same way to finish the main assembly. Add the top caps to protect the sharp edges of the top of the posts and to keep dirt from falling down the posts. The instructions recommend installing the 8 self-tapping screws into the posts and end boards to increase the stability of the planter. You will need a Phillips number 2 bit to do this. A screwdriver will work, but I recommend a bit and a drill. Set the drill torque low if you can, to prevent stripping the screw out of the plastic. Now unfold the ground cloth and insert it into the planter. There you have it. The planter is ready for dirt and plants. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to help others. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing. Click on these links to see other Everbloom planters.